So the long tongue is very important to speak beautifully, to speak phonetically, and to speak in a fashion which will help others. So many methods are given to lengthen the tongue. And one of the reasons why the tongue is not able to touch the tip of the nose and is not sufficiently long is because there's a lot of tissues connecting the tongue to the lower palate and the jaw. And I've seen people doing some gruesome practices in certain Hatha Yoga traditions, which I do not want you people to follow. But there is a simple technique which is given by the master which you can follow. Daily try to take it and use your teeth as your sort of a knife. If you keep on stretching it out, it makes those connecting tissues recede and you'll be able to attain Siddhi in Keshari Mudra. And you'll be able to speak Tamil also better. So if you want to pronounce the word la, you must have a nice mobile tongue, long tongue, and you'll have to divide the upper palate into three parts. It is called the first 1/3, second 1/3, and the last 1/3. This is important. The anatomy of the chart that we gave you last time is not only for your course in respiratory therapy but also for Tamil, which gives you the cross section of the head and the mouth. If this is the tongue, if you try to touch the first 1/3 of the palate, la. Merely touching is not enough. You'll have to curve the tongue. Touch the 1/3 and then try to straighten it out. La. All of you try it? La. La. See, when you touch it, it becomes ta. La. So you have to curve the tongue very beautifully. Touch the first 1/3 and then try to straighten it out. La. Then comes the next advanced stage of pronouncing the next la in the series called la. For that you try to take the tongue and touch the second 1/3, the very acme of your palate, upper palate, say la. Or if you repeat, la. Then comes the last one, which really takes your tongue as you do it in Keshari Mudra, say la. La. When once you have learned that, you have practically learned the most difficult letters in the Tamil alphabet. So, it's very important. That is the reason why when anybody came to study Tamil, the Tamil teacher, of course, which is according to the old tradition, he was very strict. He will say always finish all your eating at home. No chewing and salivation in the class. You can understand that now why. Such people can talk beautiful Tamil. Others people can talk only sandwich Tamil. So it makes a world of difference. And it's very important for us to learn the language the proper way. And whenever the letters were mispronounced, whenever the words were mispronounced, whenever he committed a mistake, this Eluthani Kavinja, you can call it what is called the steel pen poet, Eluthani Kavinja. He really was so dedicated to what he called Mother Tamil, Tamil Thai. He looked upon Tamil as his mother. And he said, every time he committed a mistake, he said, oh no, I've really insulted my mother. He was really furious. You can't find such poets in any other tradition, I can tell you that much. And none of you people, I think, are going to be so dedicated. I don't want you to go to that because it's very difficult. And whenever he committed a mistake, he immediately punished himself